Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia Mesadieu, your personal stylist and beauty guide. And the purpose of my channel is to assist you in making the best wardrobe and beauty choices so that you always look and feel your best. And to all my felines, welcome back, ladies. So if this is your first time visiting this channel, well then you're going to get some personal style advice, and I throw in some beauty advice here and there. And then for all my felines, well, you already know what's coming. It's been a long time. I know I haven't created content on this channel in a while. I didn't really feel like it was the right time. You know, there's been a lot that's transpired in my life and also in the world for that matter. And it just didn't seem like the right time to be creating content. So I definitely took some time away to really focus on myself and to just reflect and really be present in the moment and try to figure out and understand what all of this means. I do believe that I am in a better space to create content, so here I am. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about your intimates, your bra, and how to wash your bra. Bras are very essential to your personal style. It is something that can make or break your outfit. It is the primer, it's the base of your outfit. It's what you put on before you actually get dressed. So it is a very intimate part of you, and it's something that you really have to take care of. It took me a long time to really figure out the importance of a bra, wearing the right bra that fits me, wearing a bra that has comfort and that's quality and that makes me feel secure, and also how to care for the bra so that it lasts for a long time. So in this video, what I'm going to be discussing is how you wash your bra, how you care for it properly so that it can last you a long time and you can have a longer lifespan for that bra or that intimate. And there are actually two ways that you can care for your bra. You can either machine wash it or you can hand wash it. I'm going to do two videos. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing how you machine wash the bra. And then in the second video, which will follow up from this one, I'll be discussing how you hand wash the bra properly. And then that way we're able to extend the lifespan of this bra. So first order of business, many of you are going to be wondering, how often do you wash your bra? When I was younger, I had absolutely no idea how often I should be washing my bra. And this resulted in me either washing the bra too much or not washing it enough in a timely manner. So sometimes it just, you know, it didn't smell quite the best, and I was still wearing it because I didn't know how often you were supposed to wash your bra. So just how often are you supposed to wash your bra? Well, it is suggested that you should wash your bra after 3 to 4 times of you wearing it. And the reason for that is because bras wear out very quickly. They lose their shape, their form, and their elasticity the more that you wear them and the more that you wash them. Some bras are really an investment, and you want to protect that investment. And the way that you do that is you try to stretch your washings after 3 to 4 times of wearing them. Now there's gonna be an exception to every rule. I completely understand that. We've got some sweaty, smelly Samanthas on our hands. So I understand, like, if you perspire a lot more than others, then that's gonna cause a stench. And so it's gonna smell, it's gonna be very potent, and maybe sometimes you can't stretch your bra that long. I completely get it. I've been around some people that are like that. So what you wanna do in that case is really try to look for an anti-perspiring deodorant, something that's gonna make sure that you are able to stay fresh a little bit longer. And then that's gonna help with combating that sweat and, you know, the smell that comes from the sweat. If you're someone who perspires very easily and it leaves a strong odor, my suggestion to you would be to look into different alternatives for deodorant. I know something that works for me is I like to use a natural based solution for deodorant, and that is actually using lemons and limes. I have done this on several occasions where I had no deodorant in sight. This is something that has worked on family members. It's tried and true. This works. So what you'll do is you'll take a lemon and lime, or whether it's lemon or lime, you'll take a lemon or a lime and lift up your arms under your armpit. Just rub the lemon and the lime underneath your arms, and that is going to help to combat that perspiration and that stench that comes with the perspiration. Even if you're perspiring, even if you're sweating, it's definitely going to keep that smell at bay. Trust me, I know. And another tip for you is that if you find that your bras hold a lot of odor, well then what you can do is you can Febreze your bra up to 3 to 4 times, I would say. I used to do this with like sweaty gym clothes when I was younger. I did not have a wash machine that was in my apartment. So what I would do is I would use my same workout clothes. No judgment, don't judge me. You gotta do what you gotta do when you're on a fixed budget and you don't have a wash machine in your apartment. Hey, we keep it real over here. I would spray my workout clothes. They were sweaty and kind of smelly. I would spray them with Febreze, and that would get me through until I was able to actually do my laundry. So that's another tip for you if you are someone who seems to experience a lot of odor when it comes to like your, you know, when you perspire. Go ahead and just use some Febreze if you're comfortable doing that. I know some people, they can't handle it. They will just wash, and I completely understand that. And so that would be an exception to the rule. Like if you just absolutely feel like none of these methods are gonna work for you, if you tried it before, or if it's something you're just like, I absolutely not, I just have to wash my bras after every wearing. I would say if you can go at least 1 to 2 wearings and Febreze, you know, on that second wearing and then maybe wash, well then try that. But you want to try to really extend the lifespan of these bras as much as you can. So that's that. My suggestion would be to definitely spray a little bit of Febreze on it, and that should hold you over to the next wash. However, if you feel like none of this is gonna work for you and you're just like, sis, this is not what I do, I completely understand. Try to stretch it at least for 2 wearings. Try to stretch it for 2 wearings. And if you absolutely cannot do that, well then go ahead and wash it, but wash it very, wash it, but make sure that you're using the proper technique to wash it, and that's what I'm going to show you here today. And I really do recommend that you try these methods just to see if this works for you, and then that way, we can protect the investment of, these purchases that we put our dollars into, on a regular basis. So, okay, moving forward, let's get into the best way to machine wash your intimates. Alright, so the best way to machine wash your bras or your intimates, you're gonna need 2 main things here. You're going to need a mild or gentle detergent, and you're going to need a mesh bag. Okay, and so I'll have some options of mild, gentle detergents listed down in the description below. You can also make a mild or gentle detergent for yourself. I know there are a lot of people who like to do very clean formulas when it comes to their, what they use to wash their clothing. And so if that's something that you're into, definitely do it, but just know that that is something that you're going to need. And then you'll also need a mesh bag, and this is what you will place your intimates in. I purchased this from Walmart. Here's another one as well. It's the Mainstay brand. This here. I'm sure you can get them from Target, Amazon. These are really, really popular. This is something that I absolutely did not know about growing up. No one told me this growing up, so that's why I'm here for you all. So yeah, these are common. They're common even though I didn't know about them growing up. Heck, I didn't even know about it until my adult life. So yeah, these are going to be something that you could either purchase on Amazon, you can purchase it at Walmart, you can purchase it on Target, and I will leave links down below for you so you know where to get these. And what I like to do is put no more than 2 bras in a mesh bag at a time. That way I just know that they're really getting washed, and I'm also I just feel better with only 2. You don't want to stuff them. Also, before you put them in your bag, you want to make sure that you fasten the clasp on these, make sure that this is fastened, and that way it's not snagging on the mesh bag or on the other bra, if you have another bra in your mesh bag. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna place the bra in the mesh bag. This one's new. So I'll have to, looks like there's little compartments for this one so that you can put your bra and maybe even some underwear in here. But again, it's only 3 slots, so I wouldn't put a lot in here. But what I'm gonna do is, this is the one that I've been using. So I'm gonna make sure this is fastened. You'll put this, ideally you wouldn't have the tags on here, this is new. So you'll put this in your bag, right? You're gonna fill the wash machine up with cool to medium water. After you put your bra in the mesh bag and you've put your mild detergent in the water, then you're ready to place your mesh bag into the washer. You're just gonna let that wash, let it do what it do. And once the bra has finished washing, then you're gonna take the bra out of the mesh bag. You're gonna place it on a towel, let it lay flat. That is something that I did not know, but you are supposed to lay your bra flat on the towel and then kind of let that dry up a little bit. You don't want it soaking wet as it's drying. And then after you have it, you know, a little, still like a little moist but not too moist, then if you decide that you want to hang the bra on a hanger so it can dry further, you can do that, or you can continue to let it lay out flat on the towel. Never place your bra or your intimate in the dryer. This will reduce the lifespan. Drying your bra in the dryer is going to cause it to peel. It's going to cause it to lose its shape and its elasticity, and it's going to reduce the lifespan of the bra. So you do not want to do that. That is a big no-no. I am totally guilty of this many times over. It's a new day. It's 2020. I do not put my bras in the dryer. If you use these steps to wash your bra, if you really care for your bras, it's suggested that your bras will actually last anywhere between 6 to 18 months, maybe even longer, depending on the quality of the bra. Now that's amazing. That completes the steps of how to extend the lifespan of your bra by machine washing it properly. If you have any tips or any methods that you use, that you know of, that can help us all maintain the lifespan to make sure that it extends longer, well then please let us know down in the comment section. The best conversations always go down in the comments. We could definitely use the ideas. The more ideas, the better. All right, that completes the steps of how to machine wash your bra and how to care for it properly so that you can extend the lifespan and protect your investment. Again, in the second video, I will be sharing with you how you hand wash your bra. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Favor, peace, and blessings. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.